What is good, YouTube? This is Harlem Himothy Clean, Wealth with Harlem. Welcome back. We are going to be reviewing the Palantir AI stock moon today. I mean, you cannot make this up, and I literally called this shit. Literally got in this morning. So let me do my technical analysis on where I think this fucker's going. What the hell? This thing just went off, dude. Let me see. So how I trade and how I make educated decisions based on the big time frame, right? Because if you drop to the 1 minute chart and you look at all this ish, I mean, where's price going? You don't know. You're blind here. This is the roadmap. This is the map. Zoom out. Boom. So what I notice, now these lines right here are my projections. Target one for the end of the year. The second target for the end of the year could hit usually. But you take profit here. But, you know, if you're good long term like I am on this is a Trump stock. Trump's in office. I think this will be a mooner for sure. This is one of those companies that could pull a SanDisk. 1,000 per share, you know. But anyway, let's get into it. So I'm just going to be blind for this first candle. I'm going to open up to last year's candle. Based on how big and how nice this candle is. Not the fucking earnings report, excuse my French. Not the fundamental bullshit. Based on what the chart shows me. I don't trade based on that bullshit. I trade based on what I see on the chart. All that shit is manipulated bullshit garbage. How many times for earnings has the stock been reported to beat and crush earnings, and it does, and the shit doesn't move, or it takes a shit? Excuse my language again. A lot. It happens more times than it going up after crushing earnings. Believe me or not, ask Cena's mom. Anyway, I trade based off, I wouldn't say momentum. Well, I do kind of. Because if you see a stock, right, and it has a sharp move like this, but a little chop down, you're going to get scared of the little chop down. That's where you should be entering, right? On the chop down. That's called a pullback. That's where I enter. And that's what happened, basically, right? Palantir, the first couple of years, no one knew of it. Starts popping up right here. Boom. Nice explosive candle. What do you expect the next year? To go up, at least. At least go up higher. Right? And it does. What am I going to expect this year? Is it really just going to get rug pulled like car and just come all the way down? No. I think based on my why the fuck do you say You fucking stupid? Based on my trading, I'm just going to assume out of my ass that it's going higher. Why would it come down? It has no reason to come down. Look how explosive this is. Gapped up here. There's a gap right there. There's a gap right here. That's explosive. And then what do we call this? You look at now. Clean. What about the last 6 months? What about it? It's a healthy pullback. You should be happy. Because you should not be the dumb fuck buying right here. Why the fuck were you buying here? I ask people, why are you buying Google at all-time highs? It's okay if you're long term. That's fine. But don't cry about Trump or the stock market coming down. It's fucking life. It happens. I'm going to get assassinated for saying it because people are stupid. But let me buy at all-time highs. Are you an idiot? Are you the dumbass that bought Bitcoin at all-time highs? Stop being an idiot. Think out your brain, not your ass. But you can just see. You can see the strength of price. Look how strong it is. It came back into the fair value gap. I trade ICT. Yes, it works. If you use it to trade. There's no such thing as 100% win rate. There's no such thing. It's risk management. As soon as one of these PD arrays from ICT Concepts gets inversed, I'm no longer bullish. The problem with trading, and that's anything in life, it's just human nature. It's emotions. Everyone wants to be right. If you're fucking wrong, you're wrong. Lose 2%, get out, look for another fucking entry or a trade. Maybe it wasn't ready, and that's okay. It happens. You're human. You make a mistake. But you got to stick to your risk management rules. Anyway, I think it's just going up. And then we're going to see this. The month just closed like this. Wick. It couldn't even go past the wick. Is it more strong or is it more bearish? It closed like that. What are you going to think? Is this strong close right here? Is this a strong close right here or is it a weak close? Closed above the high of the last candle with a wick. And it couldn't even wick down below this. Look at all this liquidity here. Look at all the highs, and people need to get fucked. Look at the green candle it needs to take out still. And we're just still early in the year. This candle should look blue in something like that. At least here, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, man. But I am. I have no credentials. But just using your brain, just using your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your eyeballs. Look how strong this is. It's going up, bro. Would you rather buy here or up here? When you shop for stocks, you look for shit at a discount. Why? Your ass don't go. You don't go to the store looking. You don't go to Erewhon looking for the high end shit. You're broke. You look for the deals. You go to Walmart. You go to Meijer. You go to Rouse's. You go to Macy's Backstage. You don't go to Neiman Marcus. You're not rich. Or if you do, you're looking in the clearance section. This is the same shit. Clearance section. You're buying here, not up here. This is on sale. I mean, this shit, fuck, dude. It already fucked here. It already took out the lows. People got fucked. All the shorts right here. Everyone went short. They got fucked. The breakout traders get fucked. That's what happened. There's no reason to come back down here right now. I mean, damn, bro. I took a trade this morning. I'm holding because that's my target. I'm long term on this. I'm not day trading this. If you have millions of shares, yeah, take your profit. Don't be stupid. But me, I'm long term. This is my target for the year. This is my next week target right here. These two lines. And everyone asks, hey, Harlem, how do you get these projections? And they're accurate every time. You gotta like and subscribe and pay attention. But I grab my right nut with my right hand, and then I grab my left nut with my left hand. I do a twirly shake. I like juggle them with both the hands. I do like these with my nuts. So I'm basically like these, right? And so it gives me like an exact price point to put on the chart. But if you just comment whatever stock you want me to give you projection levels for, I'll be happy to do that for you, you know? This works 90% of the time. Anyway, that's it. I'm bullish long-term on Palantir. Now, long-term just means for this year. For the rest of the year. Because it's not going to go up forever. Look at Bitcoin. Every dumbass is bought at 120. Told you it's coming down. Listen to Andrew Tate. 22K, he said. It's coming down to 22K. Tate is right. He's always right. Anyway, like, subscribe for more content. Comment whatever ticker you want me to review next. I'm pretty good at this because I use common sense and I don't use my nuts. Or my ass, I mean. I use my nuts, not my ass. Anyway, like, subscribe, help me get to Miami.